Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for clicking on the video. Today I'm going to be going to /r Programming Humor and seeing what the top funny posts of all time are on this Reddit. So with that, let's just go ahead and get started. Programmers know the risks involved. I work in IT, which is the reason our house has mechanical locks, mechanical windows, open routers, yada yada yada, yes, yes, yes. There's more to this. Everything in my house is wired to the Internet of Things. Oh, got it. To replace programmers with robots, clients will have to accurately describe what they want. We're safe. People who aren't technical will explain things in their own frame of reference, their own domain. So if I were to say like, can you hand over, like I need to put this in a box, right? Depending on the context of who you're designing for, that could be a cardboard box, an EC2 box. It could be like a shipping container. And because language is so different based on the context that you're speaking, it's hard for people who are non-technical. It's even hard for people who are technical to explain what they want, right? And as a software engineer, you have to try to think like them and get those things clarified. Moving on. I am the IT department. Dear recruiters, if you are looking for Java, Python, all those things, yada, 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 that's not a full stack developer. That's an entire IT department. Yours truly. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so I work in a startup, and like, you're expected to know all of these things. And it's funny that this guy, I'll have to look up who Guillermo Carrera is, but it's funny that like a software engineer is calling the team an IT department, because I feel like there's like the engineering department and IT department, which is a completely separate endeavor that has like overlapping priorities. You are expected to know these things, right? It's like if you wanted someone to like build your house, so like something that's safe, something that won't collapse on you and kill you. Like, I need you to know how to use a hammer. I need you to know how to use a screwdriver. I need you to know how to use a saw. And then like those are like the basic tools. And it's like, oh, I need you to know how to frame a house with wood. In each component, you are expected to have a wide variety of tools at your disposal and know how to use them, because you don't want the house to collapse and you don't want the software to explode. Flight attendants. Is there a doctor on this flight? Nudging me, that should have been you. Not now, Dad. Not asking for a CSS developer to help, are they? Dad, there's a medical emergency happening right now. Go and see if display grid helps. I guess the person is trying to say that CSS developers are useless. I mean, there's a likely chance that there's no such thing as a CSS developer, as just a CSS developer. Like you would know other things, because you would need to manipulate HTML, or you would need to know what you're manipulating, which is the HTML. And being good at CSS is actually pretty important. Like the airplane that they're flying on, right? Like, or kayak, or however they bought their ticket. Hey, we need some good CSS here to make sure that people buy our ticket and make us a lot of money. Sounds pretty important to me. Go fuck yourself, Dad. Asking a question on Stack Overflow will be like, here's what you did wrong. This snippet should help you. That one guy who actually read the question. Downvotes. You should stop using that framework. That's a stupid question. Read the documentation. Okay, so I don't contribute to Stack Overflow. There is a lot of judgment and judgmental people based off of like the technology you use, right? It's kind of like being associated with like a certain brand. It's like Xbox versus PS4. There's going to be sides. People are going to prefer one over the other, and they're going to always say that one is better. But in reality, they can play the same games, and you can have the same amount of fun. It's just marketing. All right. Well, so I mean, this video was supposed to be a video about like me going over and enjoying the funniest memes on Programming Humor. Turns out they're not really that funny. So this has just become like a software engineer explains meme video. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about the video. I wanted to make more software related videos because I like software as well. So with that, if you like the video, comment down below. Let me know what you want me to do in the future. Like the video, share the video with your friends, subscribe to the page if you'd like to see more. With that, my name's Izzy. Thanks so much. Peace out.